during my 30s and early 40s, I hope to establish in both my career and financial life. My main goals during this stage will be career growth, home ownership, investing, and building long term financial security for myself and my future family. For my career, I plan to continue working in the industry as an aerospace engineer. By my early 30s, I hope to move into a higher level engineering roles with more responsibility, such as project leadership or systems management. By my late 30s and early 40s, I may transition into senior engineering or management positions within a company. I expect my income to grow over time as my expenses increase. In my early 30s, I expect to earn around $110,000 per year. By my early 40s, I hope to earn between $140,000 and $170,000 annually. I plan to transition from renting to owning a home sometime during my 30s. Since California housing is expensive, I would likely look for a home in a more affordable area while staying in state. I plan to put around 15 to 20% down on my house and use a 30-year mortgage loan. If the house costs around $650,000, my monthly mortgage payment could be around $3,500 to $4,500 per month, depending on interest rates and taxes. Owning a home would allow me to build equity and create long-term financial stability. By age 45, I hope to have at least $250,000 in saving. I arrived at this number by planning to consistently save a portion of my income every year while avoiding unnecessary debt and lifestyle inflation. I want to maintain disciplined financial habits even as my income increases. For retirement, I plan to continue investing in a Roth IRA and also contribute to employer-sponsored retirement plans if available. Because compound interest becomes very powerful over time, I hope to have between $350,000 to $500,000 invested in retirement accounts by age 45. Outside of retirement, I also want to continue investing in stocks, ETFs, and real estate by age 45. I hope to have at least $200,000 in non retirement investments. These investments could provide additional income and financial flexibility later in life. In terms of assets, I hope to own a home, reliable vehicles, and investment accounts altogether. I aim to have a total assets valued between $900,000 and $1.2 million by age 45. For debt, I plan to continue living a low debt lifestyle. Most of my debt at this stage would likely come from my mortgage. While I plan to avoid carrying credit card debt. If I finance a vehicle, I would aim to pay it off quickly. My goal is to keep debt manageable and focused on assets that build long-term value. Giving back will also remain important to me during this stage of life. I plan to continue donating at least 5% of my income to charities, churches, and causes that positively impact other people. By age 45, I hope to have donated tens of thousands of dollars to help support others and make a positive difference.